Hey, it's Dr. Dale White, your Fort Worth chiropractor here with Dr. Greg Johnson, your Houston chiropractor. We've been friends for 30 years, and we've been playing some golf the last few days, having a good time. And he needs an adjustment, so we're going to adjust him.
Yep.
Let's go ahead and lay down here.
Thank you.
Well, this is really nice and tight.
Oh, yeah.
I guess golf did that too.
Probably.
We're going to blame that anyway.
That's what I'm blaming my score on.
Well, it was windy. That's in your defense there. So,
Oh, yeah.
you know, it wasn't the easiest conditions we were playing in. A little cool, windy.
Oh,
Not nice and warm like Houston always is.
that was perfect.
Okay, that's great. I appreciate it. All right, we're going to get this one now. Go ahead and bend your leg just a little for me.
Oh, yeah.
Good, okay.
That was good.
Let me check here. Oh, these are looking good. Those are looking good. All right. Let me just check one more thing here. I'm going to check your neck. I'm going to do a little stretch here. Oh, yeah. There you go. Well, you got chiropractors back. You know
Yes,
that,
sir,
right?
I do.
That's from leaning over all these tables
Get
all
that
the
forward
time.
head posture from bending over doing this all the time.
That's exactly right.
How you want me?
Let's sit in this chair over here.
Okay.
Work on your neck. So we've been having a really
Now
good
tell
time
them what
up there.
this is.
Well, what we're doing here is a Gonstead seated adjustment. And it's a technique that chiropractors learn. Not all chiropractors, but a lot do. And it's just a different way to adjust your neck and get the vertebra back in position, fix subluxation.
Well, it's
you feel
also
better.
P to A, which is posterior to anterior,
That's
which
right.
is the way the planes of the facets go. So it's a very smooth adjustment and gives the patient a lot of relief, including myself.
That's good. That's all the good technical stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like that. That's good stuff.
Yeah.
But Dr. Johnson and I have been good friends for lots and lots of years, and we've had a good time the last few days playing golf. And
And
we're
even
having
on
dinner with our wives,
vacation,
etc.
and even on vacation, you know, you and I were talking about how to continually improve patient care and patient experience,
Exactly.
and get the chiropractic benefits message out to the planet.
We think about it all the time, 24/7.
Yeah.
It's just what we do, and we've always
We're
done
real
it for all these years.
life chiropractors for
There
life,
you go. That's exactly right.
and friends for life.
It's a calling. That's
Thank
what
you
it
so
is.
much.
Hey, thank you.
Appreciate it.